Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with MarineMax here in Houston, coming to you with a brand new 2018 Harris 270 Crowne. We're really excited about this boat. It's got a ton of awesome features, and as you know, the Crowne is the highest model in Harris's lineup. It really is the crown jewel of the Harris pontoon boats. At the front of the boat, it's a huge long boat with big loungers, plenty of seating up here for tons of people to hang out. There's storage under each of these with their own individual compartments. Plenty of storage for drinks, for snacks, for the stuff you're going to bring out with you. You're going to need life jackets for all the people you're going to have on the boat. Really just anything you could use. We have put the ski locker on this boat, which would be perfect to store tubes, wakeboards, ropes. Right now we've got the boat cover and some bumpers and stuff in there. And the storage doesn't end on the Harris. You've got storage underneath of the Helm, which is also where all your electronics and stuff for the Helm station are. You can see the LED accent lighting all under the seats, cup holders. Even the backrests come forward with more storage there. This boat does have the JL Premium audio system with 2 subwoofers and JL speakers all throughout the boat. Really great sound system. You've got your side entry door that's got upholstery on it. Really just keeps the classy look of the Crowne. And of course, all these backrests have drop-down armrests as well. The Helm is where it really gets exciting. We've optioned this boat with the glass dash that has 2 touchscreen displays from Medallion, and you can see we've got a rear-facing camera there for when you've got a wakeboarder behind the boat or a tube or something. You can see if people fall off, but you don't have to take your eyes off what's going on in front of the boat. You've got a glove box built into the top for wallet, cell phone, keys, etc. Another access to your audio controls here, as well as built into the touchscreen. There's another one at the back of the boat as well, so everybody can kind of be interfaced into the audio system, which is Bluetooth ready, as well as auxiliary and USB. You've got your flip-up bolster for the captain's chair, as well as digital throttle controls and push-button start controls for your Mercury 400R Verado. We've put the biggest motor they allow on this specific boat, which is a 400 horsepower Mercury. It really is just an awesome experience. Pushes this boat to above 50 miles an hour and tons of performance to pull water sports and just enjoy your time on the water. Even more storage continuing back. You've got a great intuitive battery storage compartment here. Like all of the seat base is in a Harris or hinge, so you don't have to worry about seat cushions disappearing, flying off. This is a really intuitive feature here. This is an electronic lean back for your single rear-facing lounger. It turns the back of the boat into a really great area for everyone to hang out and just enjoy being in the water. It converts all the way back, offering controls for the people sitting here for USBs, control for the audio system, 4 lighted cup holders there, huge storage compartment under this seat with your battery switch as well, and rear-facing speakers so you can enjoy your time in the water. At the back of the boat, all the safety railings are here to keep everybody safe and not going off the back of the boat, but also 2 different options for getting in and out of the water. You've got a drop-down swim seat here and your 4-step telescoping ladder. Everything's stainless steel, just the quality you'd expect out of a Harris, but taken to a whole new level with the Crowne. Come see us today at MarineMax in Houston. This is the 2018 Harris 270 Crowne with the 400R Mercury on it. Thank you.